Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. This is your girl Kali. You know how we do it. In this channel we are all about healthy living and healthy lifestyle. How are you guys doing? I hope you're all keeping safe. I hope you're keeping well and staying in your corner. So today in this video I'll be showing you how I will make this beautiful banana milk shake. I'm not using the semi-skimmed or the skimmed milk. I'm using full milk, full fresh milk, because you know milk is really important for children. It helps their bone to grow stronger and it also helps their teeth. And I'll be adding a little bit of powdered milk. As you can see, it's also part of the calcium and vitamin A and all the rest minerals and vitamins that they require to grow healthy. I'll also be adding a little bit of cocoa powder, which of course you know they love a lot, to give it that little bit of sweetness. And the major ingredients that I'll be using is fresh ripe banana. Without wasting much of your time, I would like to take you into the video and show you how I will make this beautiful and nutritious milk shake.